Hello guys, today we're having a bonfire and is it going to be posted on my channel?
Hello. Yeah, it's going to be posted on his channel.
Yeah.
Actually, no, we're going to make a collab one.
Yeah, we're making a collab channel.
We have no idea what it's going to be called, so we're not saying any name or anything like that.
But we're
making this video before we made the account.
Yes, I do. Okay,
we're
good.
We're doing a vlog on to see how far, like we have mango marshmallows. Sounds weird, but they're actually really good. We're seeing with the extra goop on it after you get the marshmallow, we should see how far you can burn it.
Yes, so we're seeing how far you can build a marshmallow.
Here we are seeing how long, or seeing how burnt it can get. So
we're actually gonna eat. I'm actually gonna eat the marshmallow when it's good, but I'm just gonna
put a regular marshmallow on to burn all the way.
Yeah, I'll put a regular marshmallow on to burn all the way because those ones aren't as good. But no offense to all those lovers out there.
Love birds.
Okay, Ben, this video isn't about those two.
I know, I'm just saying. They're the ones that started the fire for us, or that helped us, so shout out to them.
Yes.
That's sweet. My boy gave me a shout out.
My brother Ron thought that a shout out meant like that you had to yell at them.
Okay,
so,
here's for Ronan.
We're gonna take. God, it's actually hot. Bro, it's supposed to be over here. We're gonna take this and we're gonna
Eat it.
all the extra gob we're gonna burn. I'm trying to get some of the good stuff, but it's not working out very well. Yeah, that didn't work at all. So now we're gonna try to burn this.
Burn.
No, Ben, just keep the camera on here.
Okay.
We're gonna stick it right in there.
Because we're not eating it, by the way.
Yeah, Ben's gonna eat it. He likes it burned.
Yeah, I don't like it burned that much.
Your bun is bubbling for you. Sorry, am I screening you?
Shush, shush, shush.
Throw it in there for a few seconds. Oh no, it's gonna fall off. Oh yeah, right there.
We talked about why I said that.
I know. Perfect, look at that. Looks like oh my god, look at that stuff. Look at that. We're burning this to an absolute crisp.
We should do a regular marshmallow.
Yeah, and there's the stick. Put it on me, put it on me. Best blowing out challenge. I did that. So yeah, that's the gob of the mango marshmallow. Let's see which one burns more and faster.
Okay, can I do this one?
Or the regular marshmallow that Ben is going to do.
Can I use yours?
Sure, use mine. Mine's bigger.
And are we eating this one?
No, because we're burning that one all the way down to a crisp.
Okay, that's
Burn.
The kittens will survive.
Burn.
Yeah, but it is pretty.
Oh, it's literally burning to a crisp.
Yeah.
Wait, I gotta get close up. Look at that. Okay, now this is Ben with the plain white marshmallow that he's just gonna roast to a crisp. Okay,
Roast it today.
Ben goes now.
I like to burn.
It's like our burning spot right there. It can be on fire for a bit then.
Okay.
Blow it out now. Blow it out now.
So also, if it didn't save, join our clan in Clash of Clans. We'll put it down in the description.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm getting Town Hall 10.
Yeah, Ben is getting Town Hall 10. I'm getting Town Hall 7. I'm not as good. I started way
Jeez,
after him.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Look how fat that is. What the heck? That's so strange.
It's like on the edge of my
Okay, yeah, Ben, just go, burn, burn. It's like send it like full in the fire, like
It is.
let it burn, leave it there, like what the heck? Look at that. Wow. Just wow.
So now we are throwing it in. Wait, that
Sorry
you
about my
just
cough.
You zoomed it in, so it was kind of zoomed in on your face.
Who cares? Okay, so now we're trying to just we're just throwing one in.
Okay, we have to try and aim it there.
We're throwing it in. We're trying to aim it like exactly right there.
Yeah, right there.
And do you see all these burnt marshmallows over the place? Ready? Oh, swish! Watch that thing
Okay,
burn.
now I get to throw
Okay,
mine
wow. Wait, Ben, wait. Ready? So now Ben is going to throw his in. His didn't land as far in, but his is still on the log. I guess I did more of like a dart throw, and he did more of like a
Understand?
ish.
I
Ish.
could have
Ish.
done.
Ish.
Wow, look at yours.
Yeah, look at mine over there. Just exploding.
And then we gotta try and get one right in the middle. We got one.
Okay, yeah, we'll be back in a
Try and get
sec.
one,
like dot in the center. And I'll show you guys a clip
Dot
right now.
Can
There.
I step in here?
Like Ben can actually get one in. Oh, that go right
it's
in.
on the side. It's on the side. So we can actually see it.
Oh, sweet. Run.
And it's actually in there.
Oh, sweet. It's like right in the dot there. It's actually really good.
Ow.
Sorry, Ben. Yeah, like little YOLO swag there. Look at that thing. Oh God, look at mine over here. Look at ours over here. Oh, that's just so weird. Oh God.
Marshmallowiest
Yeah.
thing ever.
Yeah. Now we're just going to show you a short clip of Ben trying to swat mosquitoes. It was very hilarious.
Wait, are there more?
Lol. I dare you to eat that. I dare you to cook that and eat that. Maybe we can burn that one.
What?
Let's burn this last one. Here. Dude, your stick's broken.
It is?
Yeah.
What do you mean by broken?
Like it's like broken.
It snapped in half?
Yeah, just about. Just get that right there. Get that burning.
Now, for opie time. Opie time.
Yeah, so that's one of our cats. That one likes the fire. I think we're gonna get wrapped up the video here. There's Ben dancing in the background. Get Ben dancing. Look at that. Okay, we will see y'all later. Look at this. It's like tar. I already scraped off most of the
Side of your
stuff.
chest wall.
It's like
Because we're not
charcoal.
young anymore.
It's just an extra clip of us at the campfire. That's how big the campfire is. It's amazing.
Can you come with us?